Again, he goes in the air over mid-wicket, and this time he's hit it beautifully, Stephen Waugh, way back into the old mound stand. Well, it used to be the mound stand. It's been redone, and they still call it the mound stand, only it's a bit better these days.
That was a perfect shot. 27 off 21, that's what a 6 can do for you, and the boundary is short, and Foster won't want to drop on the leg stump.
Goes that way again, and he's cleared the boundary by almost as much with that one. That was a slower ball from Neil Foster, beautifully hit by Stephen Waugh.